Hey guys, welcome to my channel Samya Terra. Today I'm going to reading Gemini. So guys, this is the English channel and very first of all, I would like to say that this is a general reading. So guys, it can't resonate to everyone. So if you interest, if you want your personal reading, Gemini, so then you can contact me. My WhatsApp number on flash on screen, and my contact details are giving in description box. So uh, Gemini, this reading is zodiac based reading. So watch it by sun sign. After that, you can watch it by another sign, moon sign, Venus sign. But first of all, this reading is zodiac sign, so uh, you can see reading is sun sign. After that, another sign. So guys, Gemini. Gemini, this is your card. Seven of Pentacles and Ace of Words and the Strength. Yeah, and Two of Pentacles. Guys, your card is very positive and okay. So guys, Gemini. Your card is indicating that in past you was struggling and putting a lot of efforts either in your career, in your love life, guys. Yes, uh, very lot of problem in past. Yeah, past energy is very low and current situation energy is positive and very positive vibration of September month, but past energy is very low, guys. Gemini. So in past you was also suffering from your lot of problem. Yes, problem, and also there were lot of problem in your love life, guys. Suffer your love life in past, but current situation is Gemini. Your current situation is very good, and strength card is very positive card, and Page of Pentacles is also good card for your reading, and September month reading is very beautiful month for you guys. So but this card is indicating new beginning. Yes, Western card. The student card is very positive, and I can see many new beginning, new opportunities coming on way, and you are on the way for a new beginning, Gemini. New beginning. Now all the problems that are present on your way to new beginning will automatically remove. Yes, all problems, if any condition, your all problems are automatically removed, and you are moving toward a new beginning. Yes. So Gemini, shuffling your card, and I want to two and three cards, guys. September month is very positive vibration, completion of past. So September 2020. So lot of love, full of success, and this card is showing Eight of Pentacles and Emperor, and one more card, Four of Pentacles. Yes. So guys, okay, Gemini. Move ahead step by step. God is with you to help you. Don't look back, just move ahead. Yes. Don't look back because past energy is very low. So don't look back, just move ahead. Yes. Gemini, it's something, look behind it, meant it was not for you. New opportunities are waiting for you in your love life. Yes, your partner is very passionate and your partner is missing a lot. They are lot of love and they loves you very much. Yes, guys, current situation, your partner is missing you and your partner is they are loves you and they are very passionate for you. Yes, guys, your card is indicated कि your partner is very passionate for you and they loves you. Yes, guys, but new opportunities are waiting for you, guys. Lot of opportunities, new beginning coming on way, and for you just move ahead. They are waiting for you, guys. Yes, a, a new beginning a waiting for you which help you to get success, to get success. Two more cards. Yes. Wow, three of cups and knight of wands. So guys, you are going to get a success by the new opportunity. Just be patient and wait for the right time, for the right moment. Yes. So Gemini, be patient and move ahead. God is with you. I hope God is with you, and your card is very positive. And Gemini, your partner is missing a lot. Yes, your partner are missing you a lot, and but they did not show to early stage. Yes, your partner is miss a lot, guys, and they are very passionate, or they are loves you, but but guys, they did not show to early stage. Yes, but somewhere feeling are present for you, but they would not be able to hide their inner feeling for a long time. Yes, guys, your card is indicating your partner would not be able to hide their inner feeling for a long time. Your partner is very passionate for you and love you very much. So, guys, one more card for divine message for you and your partner. Because after month card is a very positive vibration, and celebration card is very good card, and uh, uh, Page of Pentacle also very good, nice card, and Strength card is a very strong card for you. And Two of Pentacles, I think the Strength card is very showing a very good card, very positive vibration, guys. And Page of Pentacles, and mostly card is a uh, present situation is mostly card is a nice card, positive card, and Three of Cups, a celebration card, are indicating, or all cards are indicating a good vibration and positivity. So let's one card more divine message, guys. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God, so very positive card. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so divine is giving you a lot of blessing, love, success, guys. Yes. Okay, divine message is giving you a lot of blessing, lot of love, lot of success. So guys, please be careful, happy and tension free your love life. Your love life is better of comparison of past. Or love life is very good, very positive in of September month. So guys, this was your reading. I hope you liked it. So please like, subscribe my channel for future notification. And if you interest uh, personal reading, so uh, my number is flash on screen, so you can contact me for personal reading, guys. So guys, till then, bye bye and have a nice day. Bye guys.